What if the most closed side of a house were the one facing the street, and the most open, light, and transparent side were reserved only for those living inside? This is Casa Reversa, a house built in Sierra de Ibio in Cantabria, in a small village where everything still seems to follow a rural rhythm: solid constructions, traditional materials, and a landscape not yet swallowed by speed. And here comes the first conflict of the project. Local regulations demand continuity with traditional architecture, but at the same time, the architects wanted to create a house of our time without turning it into a copy of the past. The solution was intelligent. Instead of imitating, the house chooses to converse, and this conversation happens through a very clear contrast. Facing the street, the house appears as a stone wall, silent, dense, almost revealing nothing about what happens inside. It does not want to attract attention, it wants to protect intimacy. But when you reach the garden, everything reverses. On the inside, the house reveals its counterpoint, an open, light, and transparent facade that brings the exterior inward and turns the garden into the true center of everyday life. That is why the name Casa Reversa makes so much sense. It is a house that presents itself one way to the world and lives another way inside. The design reinforces this idea with a simple gesture, an L-shaped volume. This L folds over itself to embrace the garden and create a protected domain, as if the house were building a small inner refuge, away from the street and the public eye. And best of all, everything happens on a single level, no constant going up and down. The house works as a continuous, direct, natural path. This L shape also solves something else essential: air. With openings oriented mainly to the south and west, and the house more closed to the north and east, the spaces can breathe through cross-ventilation, a home designed to be comfortable without relying on tricks. Above it all, a single pitch roof unifies the house. It stitches the project together as one gesture and reinforces the sense of continuity, almost as if it were a single wall that bends and becomes a roof. Inside, the program is divided into two very clear wings. One is the day wing, living room, dining area, and kitchen, all connected, with a central fireplace and a porch that reinforces daily life facing the garden. The other is the night wing, the main bedroom and two additional rooms. And one of these rooms can change over time, thanks to movable partitions, a simple detail that prepares the house for real life. Children grow, routines shift, needs change. And there is one detail that completely changes the feeling of the project: stone. The exterior facade is built with stone from the place itself, river pebbles from the region. No imported material just to look sophisticated. The texture was already there. The house simply chooses to belong. And then you begin to realize that nothing here is random, not even the windows. The openings may seem freely placed, but they actually respond to how the house is used. A window for when you are standing, another for when you are sitting, another for when you are lying down, another for when you are passing through, as if the house had been designed from the body and everyday life, not from an image. In the end, Casa Reversa does not try to be a traditional house nor a futuristic house. It occupies exactly the space between the two, where vernacular and contemporary meet, where mass and lightness coexist, where opacity protects and transparency frees. And perhaps that is what makes this project so strong. It proves that you can respect a place without becoming a replica. You can be contemporary without attacking the context. It is a house that seems quiet from the outside, but inside lives completely open to the landscape, as if the true luxury here were simply this: a protected garden, a close horizon, and an architecture that knows when to remain silent and let the place speak.